Ever wondered how to get this and this into your own map save? Well, in today's video I will show you guys how to do it. Firstly, load the map in which you are gonna be making the gun rack. Then spawn some different random object. In my case, I have spawned 3. Once you have spawned these objects, go ahead and save the map build. Then return to menu, click on add-on, and open directory. When you open the directory, the file explorer will open up. You just simply have to double-click on saves. Then find the save. Make sure to select the GB save file. Once you open the file, a set of code will appear. Search for the object you spawned using Ctrl+F. Then select the object, for me it's fence. Once you have selected the object text, delete it. Copy the shop ID from the description, and paste it in the empty space that you got by deleting the object text ID. Once you have done that, it should be looking like this. Instead of the fence's ID there will be the shop ID. Now you are all set. Go to the map, and load your save build. There you go. As you can see, the fences has been replaced with gun shop shelves. That's it for today. See you all later.